Coinbase just declared war on Wall Street with commission-free stock trading.
A war? But the fear index is sitting at 21. That's a huge disconnect.
Exactly. This disconnect is creating the biggest opportunity in months. 4 massive catalysts just hit.
4 in just 12 hours. Okay, break them down for us.
First, Coinbase launched their Everything exchange, pushing CEX mindshare to a record 14.31%. Second, Trump Media announced a $6 billion fusion energy merger, spiking at 40% pre-market.
A fusion energy merger. That's unexpected. What else?
The CFTC approved Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC as derivatives collateral. And Ethereum confirmed a 33% capacity boost for January 7th.
So what does this all mean when you connect the dots?
The market structure just fundamentally shifted. Coinbase's System Update 2025 is the key.
What exactly is this update?
It's their plan to be the OS for global finance, stocks, ETFs, and crypto, all on one platform.
The everything exchange model. So walls between traditional and digital assets are coming down.
They're being dismantled. The friction to move capital between asset classes just hit near zero.
And that record CEX mindshare. What does that tell us?
It shows exchanges are now financial infrastructure, competing directly with legacy brokerages.
So capital can rotate from Bitcoin to Tesla instantly. That changes everything.
Exactly. But here's the fascinating part. While this innovation explodes, the fear index is at 21.65.
Extreme fear. That's a classic builder's market pattern, right?
Perfectly said. Retail capitulates while infrastructure development accelerates in the shadows.
Is the regulatory side keeping up with this?
It is. The CFTC pilot is a shift from enforcement to enablement. The SEC is also planning an innovation framework. Plus, JP Morgan just deployed JPM Coin on Base Layer 2. A major bank using public blockchain is huge validation.
Incredible. So what other critical points are you watching?
Trump Media's fusion merger boosted crypto stocks mindshare to 10.89%. Also, altcoins are rotating into narratives like CEX tokens. Fast token is up 215%.
So even with broad fear, specific sectors are seeing massive capital inflows.
Correct. Our base case for the next 30 days has a 70% probability of platform evolution led by TradFi integration.
So what's the synthesis here? What's the takeaway?
The market is pricing in fear, while infrastructure value is compounding in real time. This disconnect always resolves in favor of utility.
This is moving so quickly. How can people possibly keep up?
That's why we deliver flash updates every 12 hours. Subscribe now so you never fall behind.
Okay, so what are the action items for our listeners right now?
Monitor Coinbase adoption in its first 30 days. Watch if CEX mindshare holds above 12%. Track Ethereum's on-chain metrics after January 7th, and position around platform innovation. That's where capital is flowing.
Great insights. We'll be watching for that next update.
We'll be here in 12 hours. Stay ahead of the crowd.